Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with the smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors in your house. Now, remember, these things are installed in people's houses for a reason. They are there to protect people from house fires and carbon monoxide poisoning. And these things save people's lives because they alert people to evacuate their house because there is a emergency in their house. So these things should never ever be messed with. Never ever take them off the wall. Never ever take them off the ceiling. Never ever paint them. Never ever keep pressing the test button over and over again. Never ever take the batteries out of them. Remember, these things prevent people from dying in fire emergencies that occur in their houses. With carbon monoxide detectors, never ever tamper with them, especially in a house like this one, because in this house there is fuel burning appliances inside the house. This house has a gas furnace, a gas water heater, a gas stove in the kitchen. All of those things produce carbon monoxide, which is a deadly poisonous gas that you can't see, smell, or taste, which makes carbon monoxide detectors super important. So never ever mess with them, or else if there is a carbon monoxide leak, you will go to sleep and you will never wake up again. Yeah, these devices are very serious. In most jurisdictions in this country, they have banned the 9-volt battery smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors, and only allow hardwired detectors and 10-year sealed battery detectors, because people always take the batteries out of them. if you try to take down a hardwired detector, you will get electrocuted, but if you want to take down a 10-year sealed battery detector and take it out and put it in your toys, good luck with that. You can't. Treat these devices just like public fire alarms. Like this. Smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors save people's lives during fires and carbon monoxide leaks in their houses, so do not mess with them. Bye.